In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to schedule a reoccurring post to all of your social media accounts. So when you log into your account and land on the dashboard, from the left-hand navigation bar, we're going to click on Marketing. And this is going to take us to the Social Planner interface. And from here, we're going to click on the very top right of the screen and click the New Post button. And then from the drop down, we're going to select Create New Post. And now we're going to select which account we want to schedule this reoccurring post to. So from the drop down, in this example, we're going to post to our TikTok account. And then in the input field, we're going to type out our social media copy. And then right below the input field, we're going to click on the camera icon. And this is going to take us to the media storage interface where we can upload and store and organize all of our social media content. So we are going to locate the video file that we want to schedule as a recurring post. And then once that file uploads, you can see an example on the right side of your screen. And let's go below the input field. There's a couple more options specifically for TikTok. We have the option to select allow users to comment, duet, stitch, and then right on the right of that, we have disclose video content. So if we toggle that on and we're promoting our brand, we would check this box, and then you can see in a little example here on the screen, promotional content is being shared. If you do not want to display that, just toggle that off. And then below these options, we have advanced options where we can organize our content. So if we have a specific topic that we are promoting, we can select that topic, and then we can also add tags if we would like. So now to schedule this as a reoccurring post, meaning that it will post multiple times, from the post block, we're going to click on the post button drop down, and we are going to select schedule reoccurring post. So now we have the option to say, how many times do you want this to post? Every 10 days, every 20 days, every 7 days. So in this example, we're going to say every 5 days, and then we specify the date range. So if we want this post to start posting tomorrow, April 26th, and then we want it to post every 5th day all the way to, let's say, September 30th, then we click the blue confirm button. Now we can see that date range specified in this field. And then below that, we can configure the post time. So let's say we want this to go out at 11:15 a.m. every 5th day. So once we finish that, we just click the schedule post button, and that'll take us right back to our social planner interface. So you can toggle through the recent post, all posts, scheduled posts, reoccurring posts. So if you want to go back and make any changes, you would just go to the reoccurring post area, click these 3 little dots, click on edit, and then you can make any changes you want to the field right in this input field. So that is how you schedule a reoccurring post on TikTok.